Happy morning mga kapuso! Isa na naman itong masayang umaga dahil ito ang second day ng ating very special part 2 ng iyong celebration, honey.
Yes, and today talaga is really my birthday.
Yeah, that's why there's cake there, honey. Oh.
Wow!
Para sa'yo yan.
Okay, I will make a wish first, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Yay! Thank you! Thank you so
Okay,
much.
honey. Happy birthday.
Thank you, tatay. Thank you.
Nako, marami
you.
kaming inihandang sorpresa for you, honey. At marami rin gustong bumati sa'yo.
Okay.
Una dyan ang ating studio audience ngayon na may inihandang sorpresa para sa'yo, honey.
Aba.
Meron silang kanta. Sino ba ang may handang kanta para kay Carmina?
Hello, good morning.
Happy birthday po.
Thank you. Natatakot naman ako sa iyo.
Sige.
Sandali lang. Oh, bakit?
May kakantahin ako eh. Huwag ka matakot. So now I come to you
Belter,
with
belter.
open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. Open
Alright, kiss! Kiss naman dyan, oh! Kiss! Kiss naman, oh!
Thank you. Nung bata ako, kinakanta ko yan. Paano mo nalaman yon? Ano daw?
Sample.
Ay, hindi ko pala kinakanta yun. Joke lang.
Nung bata lang
Joke
siya.
lang,
Okay,
joke
Han.
lang.
Ang
Joke
next
lang.
kakanta para sa'yo, Do It! Si Ezzy.
Ay, bakit kapal sila?
Do it to, honey,
Ay,
ha? Baka favorite mo din.
Ay,
Okay?
hindi ko din alam.
Ready? And sing.
You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe. I'm everything I am because you love me.
Ang galing naman! Eto na, may connection din yan sa buhay ko. Alam niyo ba?
Anong connection niya sa buhay mo,
Hindi
Han?
kasi there was a time in my life na kinakanta ko yun. Not to a person, pero parang to myself. Na
Naging
parang-
favorite mo siya?
Na
Sample! Sample!
Hindi, nagsisinungaling lang ako.
Okay, thank you, girls. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Ang gagaling naman pala ng ating mga studio audience.
Sinasabi ko
Grabe.
sa'yo, honey.
Alam mo
Hindi lang yan ang kakanta ngayon. Hindi lang
Ay,
mga
hindi.
audience
Ay, hindi
natin na may baon na kanta for you today dahil, honey, mamaya, pati ang mga surprise guest mo, makikiparty at makikijamming with Jeff's Crib
Wow!
para kantahan ka on your birthday.
Thank you.
Alamin natin sino-sino sila sa pagbabalik ng part 2 ng ating birthday celebration for Carmina's birthday dito lang sa Love ni Mister.
Love ni Missy.